Three teachers accompanied a group of 38 pupils to an amusement park. The ticket for a child costs $Y. An adult ticket costs $2 more than a child's ticket. Part A, find the total amount paid for all. Express your answer in terms of Y. Part B, the total amount paid was $211. What was the cost of a child's ticket? So to do part A, we need to understand that for each child, that's $Y, and we have 38 of them. So 38 times $Y, and that will give us 38Y. Now for the teachers, right, they are adults. So for each adult ticket, you got to pay $2 more as compared to each child's ticket. So for one adult, the cost will not just be Y, it will be Y plus 2. And if you have 3 adults, alright, you got to times 3. So Y plus 2 times 3, which will be 3Y plus 6. This is just for the adults. And if you're not sure how to do this, you can actually draw a model for one adult. Y plus another $2. And if you have 3 adults, you just times everything by 3. So 3Y, 2 times 3, that is 6. Okay, so 3Y plus another $6. So what is the total amount paid? That will be 38Y plus this amount here. Okay, so you have some family of terms here. This is a Y family. 38 plus 3, that is 41Y. And for 6, there's no family of terms, so we'll just leave it as 41Y plus 6. Final answer for part A. Now for part B, the total amount of money paid was $211. What was the cost of a child's ticket? So child's ticket meaning, what is the value of Y? Okay, so we need to investigate that. So we know that 41Y plus 6 will be equals to $211. So 41Y will be equals to 211 minus $6. 41Y will be equals to $205, and Y will be 205 divided by 41, which will give us the cost of each child's ticket. 205 divided by 41, answer is $5 for each child's ticket. Now, if you're not sure how to do this step here, okay, what you can do again, you can draw a model, 41Y, and then you have 6 here, and the total cost is 211. Okay, so you can take 211 minus away 6, and that will give you the value of 41Y, 205, and then from here we will find the value of 1Y. So we take 205 divide by 41 groups of Y, which is this last step right here.